So how to replace your wheel when has come loose. So first, we need to remove your basket inside of this, but you'll have screws inside, 4 on the top, as well as 3 on the bottom. So with your drill, please unscrew in order to remove the side case. So remove your top 4, place to the side, close, turn around. Be sure you do the right side, not the opposite, after flipping. So remove your other bottom screws. And here you'll start to notice this comes loose. Again, flip it over in order to pull your case off. So back here, you can pull a little bit and you'll hear a snap, and as well as you might hear a snap in the front. But this will come loose. What you can do is you can set it right up top there. Next, you'll need your materials. So you'll need your wheel, your spike, and then your fastener, as well as a pair of tweezers. So all you need to do is come over and line your wheel up so the holes line up. Take this spike, insert from the bottom, and come up so it's like this. But this is where you'll need your tweezer, because you'll notice there's a little hole here. So you'll want this to be able to point out this way. So this should snap right in, and then it'll spin. After, you'll need to take your case back. Please be sure that your wires, they may shift and come loose. So please be sure to tuck them in along here. Then start with your back and line up. And then in the front, all you really need to do is, you'll hear a little snap. You can give it a nice little push. So everything is nice and flush. You'll notice along here there's no wires, so please be mindful that nothing is sticking up. And then all you have to do is screw in your screws. You have 4 on the top. Over, and then your 3 on the bottom. When screwing in, you will notice everything should be very flush, and the screw should be very easy to go right into the. Now this is a little, sometimes the screw can fall, so you can just come back to with your tweezers and just position